Michaela, thank you very much. Good morning to you and good morning, everybody. Let's take a look at our Wednesday morning forecast. We're going to start with a look at our future track computer forecast model because this kind of outlines graphically what will happen. There's going to be a fair amount of snow with this system, but not for us. It's going to be over the western portion of our state. We've got a low pressure system working over the northern Great Lakes. And as we continue through the morning hours, we're going to see some snow showers flare up. It's not going to be about the snow here for Lansing down to our south into Jackson and over towards Detroit. The heavier snow is going to be west of our area over the western portion of our state, the Grand Rapids metro area, and points just north and south and west of there. Some of those places under winter storm warnings will pick up probably about 4 to 8 inches of snow. We here in the Lansing area and down towards Jackson, probably only about an inch or two from this event. It's not about the snow, it's more about the cold and the wind. But you can see windy conditions really stirring up with this frontal system as we work on through the day. Tonight, we go from windy to just breezy conditions. There may be a few light snow showers, but light is going to be the operative word there. And then you can see this transitions to a lake effect event, especially for western Michigan here and along and south of the I-94 corridor over towards Kalamazoo and Battle Creek and those areas as we go through our Thursday night and Friday. Again, for mid-Michigan and southern lower Michigan, Lansing and the Jackson areas, it's not about the snow. It's just about the wind and the cold more than anything else. But there is a lot going on in the big scope of things across Michigan with this particular storm system. So our 7-day planner then, here's how it shakes out. Our warmest temperatures occur early to mid-morning hours in the mid-30s because they're going to fall through the day. So don't be surprised with the wind coming in and the Arctic air. The temperatures fall throughout the day. We'll eventually see wind chills getting down to the single digits to around 0. We will see some snow develop, and of course that wind is going to be the other factor there as well. We've got colder temperatures already in place by tomorrow, maybe a few flakes or flurries. Temperatures around 24 degrees. And by the way, Lansing and our area is under a winter weather advisory just for deteriorating conditions and the light snow and the wind, but it's not about big snowfall totals here for us. For Friday, we may get in on some sunshine, but temperatures only around 21 degrees. We pop those temperatures up above the freezing mark for Saturday and Sunday, maybe some rain or snow on Sunday, and then we cool right back off to the beginning of next week. That is a look at our forecast. Make it a great day, everybody, and drive safely. I'm Fox meteorologist Kevin Craig.